In this quick video, I'll show you how to stake Reef Token step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in using your Binance account. If you don't have one, you can register using your Gmail or a phone number. Then once you log in, you can go to Earn Here. And then on a search bar, type down Reef. And then you can choose what duration you want. So if you want a flexible staking, you can click here. If you want to stake your Reef Token in 30 days, you can click here, 60 days, 90 days, and click here. Then type on the amount of Reef Token you want to stake. So for example, 1000 Reef Token. But as you can see, I don't have a Reef Token in my Binance wallet yet, so I cannot stake my Reef Token here. But we have here a minimum amount of Reef Token, so make sure that the amount of Reef Token you want to stake is 1 Reef Token and above. Then you can see here the estimated APR and then the estimated interest, which is 36 Reef Token. So the estimated APR will vary depending on your duration. So if you want to stake your Reef Token in 60 days, you will have 8.9% APR. Then after you type down the amount of Reef Token you want to stake, click confirm here. And then we're done. If you have any questions about how to stake Reef Token, leave a comment below.